Hi students, in this video we will see chapter 13 exercise 13.8 question number 5 to question number 10. Okay, question number 5, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay, here diameter is given. Okay, diameter that is equal to 10.5 centimeter, then radius 10.5 by 2 centimeter. You can write 10.5 by 2 centimeter, otherwise 5.25 centimeter, both are right, no problem. Okay, volume of hemisphere that is equal to amount of milk. Okay, here we have to find amount of milk, so volume of hemisphere that is equal to amount of milk. So here I have written the formula, volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, just put the value here, 2 by 3 to 22 by 7 and this values. Okay, at last you have 303 centimeter cube approximately. Okay, here 1000 centimeter cube that is equal to 1 liter. Already I have taught you 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter, 1 meter cube that is equal to 1000 liter, 1 meter cube that is equal to 1 kiloliter. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, students. So 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. That's why you should divide this number 303 divided by, you should divide this number by 1000. Okay, at last we have 0.303 liter. This is final answer. Is it clear? Okay, next, sixth question. Students listen, sixth question. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. Students listen, here in this question you have to find some different. What is that? Already I have taught you this type of question in cylindrical cylinder question. Okay, already I have taught you same type of question in previous videos. You just go through it. Okay, student. Now this question is hemisphere. Here thickness is 1 centimeter. Okay, then inner radius is 1 meter. Inner radius 1 meter. Okay, thickness of iron sheet that is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore outer radius, this is inner radius 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter plus this thickness 1 centimeter. So 1 meter plus 1 centimeter. Okay, here students listen, 1 centimeter that is 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. You should convert it into meter because other measurement is in meter, so you should convert it into meter. Centimeter into meter. Okay, that is 0.01 meter because 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter. That's why. So 1 plus outer radius that is equal to this 1 meter plus this 1 centimeter, that means 0.01 meter. So at last outer radius capital R that is equal to 1.01 meter. Is it clear? Okay, then question is volume of iron used. We have to find volume of iron used. Okay, so for this first we have to find outer hemisphere volume. Okay, and then we have to find inner hemisphere value. Okay, if we the difference is volume of iron used. Okay, so outer volume minus inner volume. Is it clear? Now formula is 2 by 3 pi. Here I have written capital R, outer volume. Okay, radius here I have taken capital R, so I have written here capital R, then minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube. Okay, here students listen, 2 by 3 pi. Okay, so take as common, then capital R cube minus small r cube. Capital R cube minus small r cube. Is it clear? Okay, then students listen, 2 by 3 into 22 by 7, capital R that is 1.01 the whole cube minus small r that is 1 whole cube. Okay, students, then listen students, that is equal to here 2 into 22 44 by 21, sorry 20 3 21 21. Okay, 1.01 the whole cube, that is students listen, 1.030301 minus 1 cube, that is 1. Okay, that is equal to 44 by 21, this 0.030301. Okay, and then at last you should multiply 44 with 0.03, this number, and at last you should divide the number by 21. Okay, students, here see here 44 into 0.030301, that is 1.333244. Okay, at last you should divide this number by 21, then point here, then 0, take this number 6. Okay, so 1 2 6, here 7 3 3 63, so it will be going. Okay, so approximately answer is 0.063. okay, 0.063 meter cube. This is final answer. Is it clear, students? Good. Next, let's see 7th question. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. Okay, this is very easy question, students. Let the radius of the sphere be r centimeter. Then surface area that is equal to 154 centimeter squared. Okay, what is the surface area of sphere? 4 pi r squared, that is equal to 154. Okay, so 4 into 22 by 7 into r squared, that is equal to 154. So that r squared, that is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 4 into 22. Is it clear? Okay, then r squared, that is equal to, okay, here 2, this is 7 14 7. Okay, here 2 11 7 11. Okay, that is 7 into 7 2 into 2, 49 divided by 4. Therefore r, that is equal to root of 49 divided by 4. Therefore r is equal to 7. This is the 7 into 7 divided by 2 into 2. Take 1 7 out of these two 7s, then you can get 7 by 2, or otherwise 7 by 2 centimeter, or that is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Is it clear? Then find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So using the surface area, here we have we will find the, here we have got the radius. Okay, using the surface area we will find the radius. Here we have got radius r, that is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Okay, now we have got r, that is equal to 7 by 2 centimeter. Volume of sphere, volume of the sphere. Now we have to find volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere, what is the formula? 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, so 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. This is 11. Okay, 2, this is 1 2 2. Okay, so 11 into 7 into 7, 49 divided by 3. Okay, so that is equal to 49 into 11, 539. So 539 divided by 3 centimeter cube. Okay, if you divide it, then you can get 1792 by 3 centimeter cube. This is final answer. Is it clear, students? Good. Then let's see 8th question. A dome of building is in the form of hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of 4,989.60 60 paise. Okay, if the cost of whitewashing is rupees 20 per square meter, find the inner surface area of the dome and volume of the air inside of the dome. Okay, students. 8th question, inner surface area of the dome. In dome, that means, students, listen, a building, some buildings there, then it's some dome. Okay, that is looking like hemisphere. Is it clear? Okay, here inside surface area of the dome. First, inside surface area of the dome. How do you find it? If you divide this 89.60 divided by how much? Rupees 20 per square meter, rupees 20 per square meter. So rupees 20, if you divide it, then you can get, okay, if you cancel it, students, listen, 120 are 20, then 220 40, remainder 998, 4 420s are 80, then 18 18 189, 920s are 180, 9 96, 420s are 18, 480 16 remainder 160, 160, 820s are 160. Okay, so students listen, that is answer is 249.48 meter squared. Is it clear? Okay, first subdivision is over. Second subdivision, we have to find volume of the air inside of the dome. Volume of the air inside of the dome. Okay, so for this, let the radius of the hemisphere be r. Okay, so inside surface area, that is equal to 249.48 meter squared. Okay, so inner surface area, what is the formula? Hemisphere 2 pi r squared. Okay, 2 pi r squared, that is equal to this one. Okay, then we have to find value of r. Okay, first we have to find volume of r. How do you find it? Students listen, 2 pi r squared, that is equal to this much, na? Then r squared, that is equal to 249.48 into, this is 22 by 7, na? 2 into 22 by 7. Okay, so this will be 7 divided by, this is 2 into 22. Okay, listen students, this one. Okay, 2 into pi. Okay, here r squared, that is equal to 249.48 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Is it clear? Then students listen, r squared, that is equal to 249.48 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Okay, if you simplify it, you can get 39.69. 39.69. Is it clear? Then r, that is equal to root of 39.69. You have to find the root value. How do you find it? Already I have taught you the division. Once again I repeat it, students listen, 39.69. Okay, here take the first two number, 6 6 are 36. Okay, then you have to add this 6, 12, remainder 3, drop next to two numbers. Okay, here you can write here one number, here there will be one more number. What is that? 3. You just take 3 here. Okay, so 123 into 3, 963. Okay, so 3 into 123, that is 369. If you subtract it, that is 0. So what is the answer? 6.3 meter. 6.3 meter. Is it clear? So volume of the air inside the dome, that is equal to volume of the air. Here we have to find volume of the air inside in the dome. Okay, so volume of the air inside the dome, that is equal to 2 by 3, because this is hemisphere, na? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so that is equal to 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r cube, that means 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Is it clear? So if you simplify it, you can get, at last you can get 523.9 meter cube. This is approximately. Okay students, this is approximately. Is it clear? Students listen, in this question, first we have to find inside surface area of the dome. Okay, so using the formula, we have to find value of r. Okay, so and then we have got r value and inside surface area also. Okay, using this information, we have to find volume of air inside the dome. What is the formula? 2 by 3 pi r cube. So r value also we have got. Okay, so using the r value, volume of air of the dome, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. If you put the values, you can get 523.9 meter cube approximately. This is final answer. Is it clear students? Good. Then listen students, this is final question, ninth question. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of the new sphere. ratio of S and S dash. Okay, this is question. Students, listen. First, volume of a solid iron sphere. Okay, what is that? Volume of solid iron sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, because we don't have the measurements. Okay, so we have write the formula only. Then that for volume of 27 solid iron spheres. Okay, volume of 27 such solid iron spheres, that is equal to 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, here this is 9, so that is equal to 36 pi r cube. 36 pi r cube. So volume of the new sphere also 36 pi r cube. Both are equal, na? Melted to form a sphere. And 27 iron spheres, na? 27 solid iron spheres, each radius or surface areas are melted to form a new sphere. Okay, so both volumes are equal. Volume of new sphere, that is equal to, this is 36 pi r cube, na? So volume of new sphere, that is also equal to 36 pi r cube. 36 pi r cube. Is it clear? Okay, now we have to find first subdivision radius r dash of the new sphere. Students, listen. Radius, first radius of new sphere. Radius of new sphere, take r dash. Okay, here let the radius be r dash. Here we have taken that r dash. Is it clear? Radius of new sphere. What is the volume of new sphere? 36 pi r cube. Okay, so using this we will get the radius of new sphere. Is it clear? So let the radius be r dash, then volume of new sphere, that is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. For volume of new sphere, that is, formula is volume of new sphere, that is equal to 36 pi r cube. Okay, but formula is also 4 by 3 pi r dash, because new sphere r dash, na? Let the radius be r dash. Okay, so 4 by 3 pi r dash cube. Okay, now we have to find r dash. Okay, so r dash cube, that is equal to 36 pi r cube. Okay, into this 3 here, then 4 pi. Okay, you just cancel the pi. Okay, here 1, this is 9. Okay, then r dash cube, that is equal to, listen students, r dash cube, that is equal to 9 into 3, 27. So 27 r cube. Is it clear? So therefore r dash, that is equal to cube root of 27 r cube. Okay, so this one here, 3 into 3 into 3 into r into r into r. Here I have written. Okay, take 1 3 out of these 3 numbers, take 1 r out of these 3 r. Okay, then that for r dash, that is equal to 3r. Is it clear? R dash, that is equal to 3r. So first subdivision is over. Okay students, second subdivision, students, listen. Second subdivision, what is that? We have to find ratio of S and S dash. What is S? S, that means surface area. Okay, surface area, mind it, surface area of sphere. Okay, what is surface area of sphere? Yes, that is surface area of sphere. Okay, surface area of sphere, that is equal to, yes, surface area of sphere, that is equal to 4 pi r square. Okay, then S dash is, what is that? Surface area of new sphere. Okay, S dash is surface area of new sphere. Okay, surface area of new sphere, that is equal to 4 pi, what is r here? 3r, na? So 3r square. Is it clear? Because new sphere, the radius of new sphere, that is 3r. So here I have written 3r square. Is it clear? Okay, now ratio of S and S dash. Ratio of S and S dash, that means this 4 by r square divided by, we should write this in fraction. Okay, so that is 4 pi r square divided by 4 pi 3 r the whole square. Okay, just cancel it. This here, that 4 1 divided by, this is 3 r the whole square na? So this is 3 squared, r only cancel it. This is 3 squared. If you split it, this is 3 squared, this is r squared. Okay, this is 3 squared, this is r squared. Then cancel r squared, then it gets cancelled. Then 1 divided by 3 squared, that means 3 into 3 9. Okay, so answer is 1:9. Is it clear, students? Good, thank you.